All right, so I got something off eBay. A little bit of a Christmas present and a little bit of an opportunity. I've been wanting a Stanley 78 for a while, and I found one, but it was bundled with the Stanley number 3 here. And the 78 was complete. The 3 looked pretty okay, pretty good. And it's a regular sole. And, you know, it's got some problems with it, but that's not too bad if you can tell. And look at you can still see the machine marks and all that. Hasn't been, you know, messed with too much, I can imagine. And looks like, oh yeah, looks like it's okay. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I have a number 3 already, but it's not a Stanley, so I want a Stanley 3C actually, because I have all corrugated planes, but we'll see. And here's what I actually bought it for. But like I said, they came as a bundle, and the price of the 2, the guy or whoever, or the price of the 2, the person had put as a buy it now for what this normally sells for. So it's like in the 40 somethings plus shipping. And so I got out the door with both of them for pretty good, for like 45 plus shipping. And actually I'm really surprised. This is like the nicest shipment I've ever seen off eBay. So here we go. I'm gonna look into exactly what model or type this is. It's got a little bit of issue with the Japanning up on the handle here, or on the tote, or I don't know. Is that a tote on the 78? I don't know, because it's not removable, so I guess it's a tote. Anyways, it looked to be a complete. I would check it all, but I believe it's got the spur and everything for the knicker. I'm excited about it. I imagine we'll have some sort of restoration video coming up. Real quick, not trying to get into too much detail, just like a before and after and whatnot. I think I'll probably end up using it on the right side, like I said. I mean, like I've done with a 45 in the one video, making my parents' anniversary frame. You know, being a lefty makes more sense. So we'll see. Fence looks to be okay. There's no real pitting on this. This is not bad. I'm feeling good about it. It's got the adjustment lever and all. I'm not sure it's very old, but it's good. I don't know. I will see. But I'm enjoying this. I'm kind of impressed. So let's see what we got here. All right, I just took it to the stones. Didn't even polish the back. Just 5 minutes or so. Got a nicer edge on it. It stinks it doesn't fit in my honing guide, so that's annoying, but no big deal. I think I'm fine. I managed it freehand, so we're all good. All right, let's cut our first rabbit. There we go. Now we loosen it and we lift it slightly to advance. Ooh, dirty. Oh, there it is, first curl. Ah, produced a really cool curl. All right, and we got my depth adjuster down, which is obviously not going to engage, but that's cool. So that's the big problem with being a lefty, I guess, is the depth. Like all these kind of things don't work. Oh man, how I wish I could have had this a few days or a few weeks ago when I was cutting rabbits with my 45. Oh, this is nice. Pretty good experience so far. So there it is, just a quick look at it. Pretty nice. Got to learn to work with it a little bit more, I think, but it's okay. Works fine. Not bad, not bad. And then Basically, the bonus is my number 3. So I'm going to sharpen that iron real quick and see how it does. Oh, wow. There's like almost no pitting or anything on it. I'm kind of interested at how old this is. I don't think it's that old. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Ooh, the adjustment lever is very stiff. But man, it's nice. It's really nice. I like it. Yeah, this will need to be cleaned up, but I like it so far. Alright, another 5 or so minutes on this. And there's a big nick in the blade, but the back's relatively flat. And, you know, despite the rust and whatnot, I'm happy with it. Oh, a kidney bean style. Interesting. This is my first one of those. I wonder if it's a gimmick or if it actually worked. How many people had their lever caps falling off? You know, it just makes me wonder. Alright, so another piece of wood. Let's just give it every chance of success. Wax this sucker up. All I've done, all I've done is sharpen the blade. There we go, first pass. Well, the shavings are coming off easy enough, I'll tell you that. Not bad. Pretty good surface. I mean, despite the bottom. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with that surface. That's a pretty nice, I mean, heck yeah. You know, let's do not quite finished work on it, but oh, it's got quite a bit of play in the or slop in the adjustment knob. Makes it a little hard actually to feel if I'm actually doing anything. Yeah, it's not a bad purchase.